Oh, me and Slate T22 are back fishing. I just caught the first fish. He's a little stuck right now because he came off when he got to the bank. Ooh, give him a little love kick. Come on, buddy. He's not dead, I promise. He's just stuck. In need for guidance. All right, there he goes. Well, that's the first one. So, yeah, I'll let y'all know if we catch any more. Fish in 2 years. That little tiny bass, about 2.3 ounces. Mine was like 8 pounds. His was like 2.3. Yeah. Massive bass. First cast on these baits. God. Come on, get him in. I'll grab him. Dude, real friends put their friends on tanks. Oh my, that's bigger than the one I caught, maybe.
Dude, don't jump.
He ain't gonna jump. He's already jumped once. Get him right here. Get him right here. Come on, run in. Run in. Hold up, y'all. He's caught his state record bass. Oh my God. Dude, he's double digits. Oh my.
What did I just do?
Take the hook out of him. Let's go weigh him. Oh my God. You hooked him good. He ain't coming and doing easy.
A purple bait, dude. First cast.
I'm about to put some of that junk on freaker
I'm telling
jig.
you.
Oh my
Oh,
God.
dude. Go get. Hey, the scale is in.
All right, get the hook out of him.
It's in the back side of my big tackle.
All right, get the hook out. Oh my God. Is it working? I think I need. Oh, it's going. You know how to do it? You have another one? Holy cow. Dude, look at his mouth. Get it right. All right, go. Hook him right there. Well, not hook him, grab him. We gotta hurry. You gonna put him back? I ain't cleaning no fish.
Might have to mount him.
Might. Just do a fiberglass. If you want to, I don't got a bucket. I can go get one. If you want to mount him. God, it's going to 8.
8, 6.
It's still going, dude.
8, 7, 8, 6, 8.
868. That's what it is.
8, 6, 8.
My God, that is your PV, ain't it? I didn't even. I've hooked him before. That's the fish I thought I've been hooking, the big ones.
Give me a picture.
Yeah, I caught this pitiful excuse for a bass. That's what Slate just caught. A little fish. Viewer discretion advised. He has on no shirt. He's ugly. And caught another fish. Yay. I ain't caught like a big one yet all day. All of mine been like milliseconds size. And this one ain't that big, but still. I hope I just dropped my phone in the pond. Dang, like a football. Dropped it.